Oh, hi. Everyone knows that software development is nothing more than a lot of button pushing. You don't want to leave your next project to chance. With over 200 combined years of button pushing experience, here at Zeal, we take great pride in delivering tremendous value on your next button pushing project. Every one of our engineers is extensively trained in the latest button pushing best practices. We take button pushing so seriously, we've developed our own in-house, state-of-the-art training software. Here's Alfonso finishing up a 3.5-hour session now. You can do better, son. One more session and maybe take 5. Here's our apprentice, Dan. Dan is working his way through our rigorous program designed to increase his button pushing stamina. Here at Zeal, we've realized that button pushing isn't just a mental game, it's also a physical game. So we put all of our engineers through a very, very strenuous physical process designed to bring about the most efficient button pushing we possibly can. As you can see, Dan's taking his training very seriously. Nice work, Dan.
The team at Zeal went above and beyond. Yeah, they pushed my buttons, but that's what I hired them for. They're the best in the biz.
So how can we help you on your next button pushing project? Whether your project calls for yes buttons, no buttons, login buttons, log out buttons, radio buttons, turkey buttons, panic buttons, or eject buttons. What would it mean to have professionals on your next button pushing project? What's the ROI on a properly executed button pushing? Nothing is more valuable than a button pushing experience that makes your users happy. We've delivered thousands of happy clicks, and we're ready to deliver for you.